doing a few speed runs today. We're going to start with our new prototype, the EMB truck you want to be, or closer to a large load probably. Cool little ripper. Getting the trim set. Looks pretty good. It's got the slipper clutch, 2838. Open for 25. Ooh. One thing I didn't want to do. I want to keep this thing pristine. Alright, 34. Now that's more like it. $34. Let's see if we can get a little higher. Good break. All right. Yeah. 35.2. Hopefully you can see that. 35.2. That's what Lando. Looking good, looking good. That is beautiful. We'll be back with the next one. Next. These are LC with Hobby Wing, Hobby Wing 16BL, and this is a 2830 or 2838 3800 kV, I think. I'll double check and put it in there. But last time we gave the speed test was the rain, so hopefully this time it'll do us a little bit better. These batteries are not fresh, but they're not bad. I charged them earlier. Hoping for 30, that's it. Not looking for nothing nutty. Let's reset this guy. Hear that servo. Alright. Make sure we got something. Oh, steering the other way. Reading? Okay, 5 miles an hour. Pegged. He's pegged. Man. Gotta remember to use the brake. Oh, much better. 38.8. That is awesome. 38.8. You see that? Almost 40 miles an hour. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Pretty happy about that. Much more respectable. Alright. Again, that's 38.8. And this is our LC12B B1. And running Hobby Wing 16 DL30 and 2838. G-Tech, I think is the name of it. It's good. Good, very good. Alright. Beautiful. Alright. So my daughter's gonna do this one for me. Hello, sorry, I didn't know you were there. Oh, of course. I know, funny, right? Alright, so give it a good run. I don't know how the... Man, that thing home. We're shooting for 40.
It wasn't even.
Ah, it wasn't even on! Dang it. How many times do I gotta do that in a day? I got the one thing up to 38 to help me. Oh, that's awesome. That's where we wanted to be. That's 60 kilometers an hour, 37.7. That's awesome. Awesome. Well, there we go. That's enough. We'll just kind of put it to bed. Thank you, Lauren. That's with our new 2845. Didn't gain any speed though. That's kind of crazy. But I don't know how charged this battery is. Yeah, 37 was what we got last. Beauty.